Hello everyone, today I am here at Genesis of Kirkland and we are going to be taking a quick look at this 2021 Genesis GV80 Advance, and I will be taking you closer and showing you what this car is like. It's amazing, and let me show you. Now this is the first Genesis SUV that was unveiled recently, and this is what the front is like. It's very beautiful. It has this massive grill here. Here you have the camera, and on the top you have the Genesis logo. And one thing that is really awesome about this SUV is the fact that it has like this LED double headlights, and inside you have two lights there. So this has like 4 lights in total. And you come over here, you see the massive tires. Now this Advance comes with 20-inch tires with massive rotors and brake calipers. Those are not Brembos, but they are nice looking. And you have on the side, you have chrome, and that's LED light. When you unlock the car, okay, like this flashes. So these are like the indicators, and these headlights, these side lights, I think these are the indicators, and these LEDs are also the indicators too. And here you have the chrome accent that runs from the beginning of the back of the tire to the front of the back tire. And you come around, you see the back and the exterior of this, and it also has this double lights that's wrapped around. And this is a 4-wheel drive, and you see the Genesis boldly written. So GV80 Genesis. Now this has 2 massive double exhaust. With this reverse light down here. Now this is what the key fob is like. A lot of buttons, which is amazing, and you push on that one and the tailgate opens for you. Beautiful. And you hold on to that button again, it will shut the tailgate for you. Now this GV80 Advance is powered by a 2.5 liter turbocharged engine that produces 300 horsepower and 300 pound-foot of torque. And this engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This has like a auto leveling rear suspension, which I will have displayed for you, but I will not be able to right now. And one thing that really sets this GV80 apart from every other SUV in the market right now, new in the auto industry. So Genesis came out with something that is very eye-catching and beautiful. So this exterior color is called the fake black, and this has black interior color. And let's see. So I just noticed this button. I think you push on that. You can also use that to open the tailgate, and let's see what's in here. So here you have power folding seats, and this is for all the seats. So you push on this button, and here you have a speaker here, and you have a 12-volt 180-watt charger, and you have lights here. And under here, let's see if I can open this. You have a storage compartment and some of the things that you need for your GV90. Okay, and this is what the interior is like. It's beautiful. Like it's unbelievable what Genesis have done with this SUV. I'm very excited to see. And here you have Genesis boldly written. Rear seats. To put the seat up, you push on that button. Okay, on the rear we have 2 speakers here and the wood accent on the door, and this leather down here with white stitching. Now this button, what it does is you can use it to fold the seat. Okay, now when the seats are folded like this, you can't just like lift it up, so you need to push on that to unlock the seats before you put it up, which I think is a safety feature. Here we have a storage compartment, which is really nice. It fits in the seats very well, so it has like elastic there. Now let me take you to the front and show you what this Genesis is like. This has a 12-way power front seat right here. And other things that really makes this to stand out is the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto that this comes standard with. And this car costs $60,745. So let me show you. And this here you have this 14.5-inch navigation system with all the different controls. GV80 is something extraordinary. So when you open it, it has a memory seat, and what happens is when you open the door, the tilt and telescopic and steering wheel adjusts to your setting, and when you shut it, it actually adjusts to your how you want it to be. So now I will be starting it to bring it to life, and I'll be showing you more. Now I just started it, and that is what the digital display cluster is like. And over here you have the 14.5-inch display. Now that's the sound it currently has, and here you have rear ventilated seats and front heated and ventilated seats. So let me turn down a little bit. So let's see. Interesting. Okay, and here you have these controls here to control your radio and other menus. So when you rub your hand on that, it changes the setting on the 14.5-inch navigation system. So you have like navigation, you have radio, media, HD radio, and other connectivity. And here you have your drive knob, which is beautiful, and you have this control here which help you to move. When you push on this, it changes everything for you, and that is like a dial that goes around, and it will also change. It will change like different setting on the navigation system for you too. And here we have auto hold, and here we have the different drive mode select dial too, and you push on that. When you push on that dial, you can use it to change like the drive mode. Now it's in custom, sport, comfort, eco, and snow, which is pretty amazing. You do this without removing your eyes from the road for as long as you know where it is. It's for a test drive right now. But one interesting thing with this is the vent, how it's wrapped around the front dashboard. And here we have really soft and smooth leather. And you come here, you have the vent here too. So on the door we have different like controls for your windows. This is for the back window, this is for the other window, And here we have the two windows. Now, one amazing thing with all the windows is that you don't need to like hold down the buttons to open and shut them. So all you do is you tap on them and the windows will open for you, and you pull it up again and windows will shut for you, which is pretty on the door too. You can also adjust your seats, so you don't need to try and use the controls on the seat, which are very convenient for you to also control your seat. The interior is really nice and it's quiet here, and let me show you the panoramic sunroof. And so this has a panoramic sunroof, and what you do is there is a button right here. When you pull forward, it closes your panoramic sunroof, and when you pull backward, it opens it for you. So let me show you. With one push backward, the panoramic sunroof will open for you. Which is pretty amazing. And you push that button forward and it shuts your panoramic sunroof, which is really nice and convenient. So you can just push on that button once and it opens for you. Now here we have like a wireless charging port and SS USB cable ports there. Let's see. And all you do is you push on it and it will shut. And here we have two cup holders for the driver and passenger to use, and if you don't need it, all you do, you just push on that. And here we have the center console that is very convenient. And let's see, how do we open this? So okay, under there you have a button. Under here you have a button that you let me close it. You push on that button and it opens for you, and when you want to close it, you just push this down. You have a storage compartment, which is really nice, and when it closes, it's soft. So you push on these buttons, map, navigation, and all that. It changes, for example, the map. It starts it brings up your map, and you push on navigation. You can select different, and here you have other setting. You have here radio, and you have your media. You have different setup here, which is vehicle navigation and drive mode, and you can control that by using this big dial right here. I really love touching this. It's amazing. Like, it's very easy, and it has like a clicking sound. Yeah, so what do you think about this new 2021 Genesis GV80 Advanced? Please, I want you to leave your comment in the comment section. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Press the bell notification icon so that when I post my future videos, you will be among the first to see my videos. Now, I also want to say a big thank you to Genesis of Kirkland for giving me the opportunity to check out this car. And if you really want to test drive this car, they have one here right now that you can test drive, which is amazing. I'm not going to test drive it today because I am very busy, but it's a very beautiful car. So leave your comment in the comment section and tell me what you think about this beautiful GV80